Okay na.
1, 2, 3.
GG, pre.
So, good day everyone. My name is Gabriel and together with Pajarito, Untalan, and Zamaila, we are going to discuss the hotels of interest in Hong Kong. Then first on our list is the luxury hotel, the Peninsula. Then it is the facilities of the Peninsula is the spa and the Sky Terrace. Next on our list is Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel and its facilities. Doset Kai Tak Kowloon. Then next, the Ritz-Carlton Hong Kong. And for our main topic is that we're going to discuss the current statistics in Hong Kong. Discussed by my member Untalan.
For column 1, hotels, values 252. There's no percent change. Rooms, 76,608. Room supply, 27,674,531. Percent change is 2.2. Rooms demand is 18,968,478. The percent change is 12.2. Occupancy is 68.5, 9.9% change. The ADR, $159.71 into percent change is 30.5. The RevPAR is $109.47. The percent change is 43.4. Rooms revenue is 3,029,411,603. The percent change is 46.5. The next will be Pajarito.
For a while. As you can see, this is the KPIs chart for the last 10 years occupation in ADR, RevPAR, for annual occupancy for 2013, 2012, and year-to-date for 2023. So this is our chart. Then the next is being discussed by Pajarito in trend data.
See here in our scale table, in the trend data, in the context here is the overall supply growth has been steady with minor fluctuations over the 10 years. And in demand has consistently increased over the past 10 years, except for a significant decline in 2020 due to the pandemic. And for its revenue has fluctuated over the past 10 years, reflecting the impact of both supply and demand changes. And the next presenter is Zamaila.
Now for the market breakdown being discussed by Samaila.
In our chart, luxury significant growth in supply with a slight decline in demand. Upper scale, strong supply growth with significant demand increase. Upscale, moderate supply growth with a slight decline in demand. Upper mid scale, a slight increase in supply with a slight decline in demand. Mid scale, significant supply growth with a slight decline in demand. Occupancy and average daily rate ADR by hotel class. Luxury high occupancy, significant ADR growth. Upper scale high occupancy and significant ADR growth. Upscale moderate occupancy, significant ADR growth. Mid-scale moderate occupancy with a significant increase in ADR. And our next presenter, comparable market, Hong Kong versus Macau.
So in the comparable market, I will discuss about Hong Kong versus Macau. So as you can see in our chart, occupancy rates. Hong Kong has 68.5%, 8.5%, while Macau has a 60.2% and an average daily rate ADR, which Hong Kong has is $159.71, while Macau has $145 in revenue per in RevPAR. Now Hong Kong has $109.47, while Macau has $87. And for the market insights, Hong Kong's hotel market shows a robust recovery in post-pandemic with significant increase in both demand and revenue. The luxury and upscale segments are performing particularly well, indicating a strong preference for high-end accommodation. In comparison, Macau's market is recovering but at a slower pace with lower occupancy and ADR figures. Now, the overall trend suggests that while both markets are experiencing growth, Hong Kong is leading in terms of performance metrics, making it a more attractive destination for hotel investments. Now, for the future outlook, with continued growth in demand is expected in travel restrictions, ease, and tourism rebounds. Investment in luxury and upper scale segments may yield the highest returns with the given current trends. Now, monitoring economic factors and potential market disruptions will be crucial for stakeholders in the hotel industry. Then, here's the pipeline data of Hong Kong historic supply growth by scale for the last 6 years. So, as you can see, it has been independent, making in 2019 the highest it has with a 1,929 number of rooms. And for the recently opened hotels in Hong Kong, these are the Fullerton Ocean Park Hotel. The Fullerton Ocean Park Hotel Hong Kong opened recently and is a luxury waterfront resort located near the ocean park. And there is the facilities. Then next on our list is the Aki Hotel in Hong Kong. It is a chic boutique hotel located in Wan Chai, and it combines temporary designs with cultural elements, offering stylish rooms and a rooftop bar with city views. Yeah, and as you can see, here is the facilities. Then next on our list is Y Hotel in Hong Kong. Now, it is a contemporary hotel situated in Sheung It offers minimalist, stylish accommodation with modern amenities, emphasizing comfort and convenience. And that is last on our report. And I would like to thank everyone for joining me in this meeting together with Sir Mark Pajarito, Untalan, and Samayla. We give thanks. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.